This is Tech Talk HSC El Paso. Hello, I'm Jay Koester, and I have your news and events for this week. Summer may be a time of relaxation for some, but staff at the Gayle Greve Hunt School of Nursing spent the summer installing new technology to help students learn. New interactive monitors were added to classroom and study areas.
This was 2 classrooms, and we converted it to 1 large classroom so we could fit our growing classes in it. We also recently added our monitor so the students can see the screen from the back. And that way they're not straining to see the screen at the front because it is a quite large crowd.
Nursing student Flavio Lopez said the new sound system in the nursing classroom helped him hear the lessons. And nursing student Amanda Vega said the new screens made it easier to follow educational PowerPoints and videos.
So in classroom, they installed some new TV screens throughout the entire classroom and a projector in the back. So it really helps for people like me that wear glasses who sometimes can't see the front board to have these TVs so that we can view PowerPoints and videos really easily no matter where you sit in the class.
In addition, new Cisco WebEx boards were installed in all the nursing student study rooms. The boards can be used for video conferences in addition to functioning as a whiteboard. After their students have drawn diagrams and annotations on the board, they can be saved to their phones or tablets.
So the Cisco WebEx board for us has been helpful when it comes to studying as a group together. We usually connect someone's computer and we review some test questions, we go through some other material as a group and we discuss it. So it allows us to study better together.
For more information about what's happening on campus, visit facebook.com/TTUHSCEP. Guns up, we'll see you next week.